Okay, here we go. Speed down. There's power. Engine instruments are good. Airspeed's 50. 55, there we go. Engine instruments are good. Positive rate of climb.
Cessna 070, traffic 5 mile final, runway 26 right, heavy MD-11, report traffic in sight.
070 looking.
Ontario, FedEx 917 Heavy, 3 mile final, 26 right.
FedEx 917 Heavy, Ontario, tower wind 24013, runway 26 right, clear to land, roll out, Foxtrot approved.
FedEx 917 Heavy, clear to land, 26 right, Foxtrot approved.
Cessna 070, heavy MD-11's on a 2 mile final, 1,800 descending, report traffic in sight.
070, heavy MD-11 in sight.
Cessna 070, roger pass behind the heavy MD-11, caution wake turbulence, wind 240 at 13, runway 26 left, cleared for the option.
We'll pass behind the MD-11, cleared for touch and go, runway 26 left for 070. Alright, we're going to do 65 all the way, and we're going to land past Papa. There's that smoke.
FedEx 917 Heavy, continue down the runway, turn left at Foxtrot. Hold short of runway 26 left and remain this frequency.
Alright, FedEx 917 left, Foxtrot, hold short of 26 left, stay with you.
Here we go. 55.
Ontario Tower, Cozy 40 Charlie Zulu with you at 1400.
At Cozy 40. Cessna 070, traffic departing runway 26 right, straight out westbound, Amarillo 175, report traffic in sight.
070, traffic in sight.
Cessna 070, maintain visual separation from the Amarillo, caution wake turbulence, wind 24014, runway 26 left, clear touch and go.
Clear touch and go, runway 26 left will maintain visual separation from the aircraft departing 070. And Tower 070, like the early left crossing.
Cessna 070, approved as requested.
070, early left crossing.
Cessna 070, wind 24014, runway 26 left, clear touch and go.
Clear touch and go, 26 left for 070. Base. Oh. Wind check.
Wind 24012.
Okay, a little bit of left crosswind here. 65. Hold it off. Okay, flaps are up. Here we go. Airspace alive, 55. Positive rate climb. Engine instruments are good.
Cessna 070, traffic 2 mile final for the right runway. Cirrus, wind 24014, runway 26 left, clear touch and go.
Clear touch and go, 26 left. We're looking for the traffic, and after this touch and go will be a left crosswind to Chino Airport.
Cessna 070, roger, on the go, left crosswind Chino through.
On the go, left crosswind to Chino through, 070.
Sierra, traffic a mile and a half southwest of Montclair Mall is a RV-10 inbound to Cable. Squawk VFR, frequency change approved. Have a good day.
VFR, frequency change approved. Thank you. Good day.
Flaps are up. Zero speed, 55, 60, okay, we're up. Engine instruments are good. Positive rate of climb.
Cessna 070, contact Chino Tower. Have a good day.
070, over to Chino Tower. Thanks for the help today.
Alright, Fleet 30, traffic half mile south Montclair Plaza.
Chino Tower, Cessna 52070, just departed Ontario Airport. We're inbound for landing with Delta.
Cessna 52070, Chino Tower, under right base for runway 26 right, information echoes now clear, wind 260 at 11, altimeter 2980. 070, runway 26 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 26 right for Cessna 070. Alright, we're clear to land on the right for... Man. 52070, runway 26 right at Kilo, taxi to AIA.
52070, Chino Ground taxi via Kilo, good day.
Over to Kilo, departure for 070.